I think we've sold one machine twice. We're lucky enough.
How's that possible? You can cut it in half?
No, we've got another one in stock.
Keith, real buzz around MACH this week. Good to be back.
Oh, absolutely, yeah, it's brilliant, really good. It's a nice surprise as well. It could have gone both ways, couldn't it? So
yeah, and the numbers have been good. You've even sold machines from your stand.
I think we've sold one machine twice. We're lucky enough.
How's that possible? You can cut it in half?
No, we've got another one in stock. I sold the big Mastiff here yesterday, so yeah, it's been very, very good. Yeah.
You've got a really big stand as well. Is this a bit of a statement from you guys here this time round?
Well, I think it's just to get more people on it. You don't want to feel cramped. There's a lot of the stands here where they've tried to jam too many machines on. It's just a good airy space to be in, you know. It's really good.
And what technology are you showing, or have you been showing this week that's been drawing attention?
The alphas have been brilliant for us. The alphas have, certainly in the machine of the day today, have been very, very good. The lasers been really good, with a lot of interest in the lasers, and the good old conventionals. You know, people are still buying conventionals.
And your CNCs as well now, because we've spoken about it quite a lot on our channel. You're going into the twin spindle market, the VMCs as well. A real step up there, and people might know Colchester for what we see behind us, but there's a lot more than that.
Yep, we got the typhoons and the storms. We got a storm on the stand here. MSC have done a good job for us as well. They're sending people up because they've got one in their showroom.
Okay, quite a few places around the country now you can see your machines in a showroom style. Yep. Can you maybe just explain where those places are?
Yeah, so you've got MSC in Wednesbury. They've got a typhoon and a storm in their technology centre. And then we have the partnership with ProDrive down in Banbury, and they've got various machines in there across the range: manual, CNC, vertical, slant beds, everything. So
in general, been a good, not just MACH, but a good year so far, Keith.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. I think things are picking up. We're really positive about it. Things are really looking good.